Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a look that is inspired by Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale. So a super simple neutral brown eye look followed by the classic signature red lip. Jumping straight into it, I am just using the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base in the color Light and just popping this all over my eye. Today we are going to be using the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. I'm starting off with the color Limit and just popping this all over my eye, including the crease, and blending out. To deepen the crease, I'm just going in with the color Nuna, which is a darker matte brown, just popping this into the crease and blending out. I'm also just continuously blending the edges to ensure a seamless finish. I'm going to add a tiny bit of shimmer, just the color Dust, in the inner corner of my eye. And Cheryl Blossom always has winged eyeliner, so I'm just going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, lining the top of my lids and adding in a small wing. We will come back to the eyes and finish them off later, but for now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer and just popping this all over my face. For foundation, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, just popping this all over my face with a brush and blending out to ensure a seamless finish. Now for concealer, I am just using my go-to, which is Maybelline Fit Me, just popping this under my eyes, and I always like to blend it out with a brush. To add a slight contour, I'm just going to be using a cream bronzer first. This is by Sephora. It's the Color and Sculpt Stick in Clear Light. Just adding this to my cheekbones, a little bit on my temple, and along my nose. For the cheeks, I will also be using a cream product. This is just going to help create more of a rosy flushed look. This is the Nude Sticks Nudie Bloom in the color Cherry Blossom Babe. Just popping this on my cheeks and then blending it with my fingers. To set the foundation and the cream products, I'm just going to be using the Laura Mercier Invisible Loose Setting Powder and just popping this all over my face. I'm just going to go in and chisel out my cheeks a bit more using the Tarte Hamptons Weekend Contour Palette. This is just a matte shade brown color called Farmer's Market, which I'm just adding to my cheeks. And just adding a bit more color to my cheeks, going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Party. We're going to add a tiny bit of shimmer to the face using MAC Soft and Gentle, just also popping this underneath my eyebrows. Now, Cheryl Blossom always has perfect eyebrows, so I'm just going in with the Flower Beauty Draw the Line eyebrow pencil, just filling in my brows and shaping them. For mascara, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Now going back to the Naked 3 palette, I will be using the color Nuna again and popping this under my eye. Now of course it wouldn't be Cheryl Blossom without the classic red lip. I am going to be using a red lip liner by NYX just to line the outside of my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to be using a MAC lipstick. This is one of their classic colors, Ruby Woo. So there you go, that is my final look inspired by Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale. If you're going to give this look a go, please leave me a comment and let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.